The rug is in. Maybe we'll make this my office. No.
Yeah.
No.
You're here.
No.
Look, it's nice and bright.
Mm-hmm. I like my office.
You know.
Yes, I do. That's the best thing ever. Here we go into my office. Look at how nice. We still have to put these little doors up. And then of course all my stuff is in here now. That'll have to come out. But this is how cute the office came out. Right? It looks so much prettier with the carpet. And then the hallway leading to our bedroom. The next room is the guest room, which starts here and goes into here. And of course we have all of our stuff in here. But look how nice the wall came out too. The wall color. I really like it. And there you go, in my little cozy corner. Oops. And then we have, of course, my shelves that have to go back in, and my desk, the bed for the guest room, the carpeting that was in here, the rug, the throw rugs we had. So those have to find a new place. And then we have the view from here upstairs, all the way down the stairs. And of course, we come to our bedroom. Put our bed back already. So we have that in here. And we do have to put down all the little baseboards on the bottom. And they did nick a couple areas when they were putting the rug in. So we're going to have to, we were going to retouch, and we're going to have to retouch all those areas. And that's the bedroom all done. We got our little end tables in. Baseboard. This closet is full. We have to empty all that out. And then in here, we have to start putting all this stuff where it belongs. And in the bathroom, we have half of my office stuff in there. And there you have it. We're going to start putting all our stuff back, attaching all these little doors